Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from WapiNorse.com, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the JABRA ELITE 65T earphones, headsets, earbuds, whatever you want to call them. Okay, their tagline is engineered for the best true wireless calls and music experience. You can find this on the JABRA official store on Shopee or Lazada. I'll put the link to the Shopee store in the description below and in the pinned comments. It's 5,799 pesos only, and if I'm correct, this is the titanium version. I guess that's the color. And two good things about the JABRA product here that I noticed is that it says it has 2 years warranty for dust and water protection. Okay, and it also has Alexa and Google. Okay, so it has a 2-year warranty, and it's also waterproof and dust resistant and water resistant. Okay, it's not waterproof. Okay, so just to make it clear, it's IP55. Okay, so if you're not sure about what IP55 means, read it up. Basically, it just means that it has water and dust resistance. Okay. So there's a pull tab here. Once you pull the tab, it opens up. You can see the left and the right earbuds. Okay, and as you can see, it's clearly marked there, left and right. Okay. And then there's connector contacts for charging. Okay, it also comes with a charging case, which is a type A or micro USB charging port, and there's a button here that you press to open it. Okay, let's see what's this warning. There's a sticker. Let's put it out here. I can't read it. Can you guys read it? Okay, so it's just a frequency, I guess, and the FCC, CE-EAC ratings. Okay, so there's a small LED light there in the bottom, so that it shows if it's just power or if it's charging. Then you just put in your device. Okay, how do you put it in? Okay. Like that. Okay, and just follow the left and the right markings. As you can see, it's there and it's in. Okay, so there's also a LED indicator inside. Okay, the box here in the bottom, let's see what it says. There's an operation manual, the micro USB cord for charging, and extra replacement earbuds, rubber earbuds that hopefully will fit your ears. Okay, so we're gonna check out the headset itself right now. So as you can see, both headsets have LED lights. This one was green, this one is blue. It's blinking. As you can you hear it? It's clicking. Both sides have clicks when you press it down. Okay, so we're gonna try to put on one here right now. When you put it on, okay, see this part? This goes like that. So that's to your ear. So that's pointing downward. And this one goes inside the hole of your ear. Okay, so we're gonna try it out right now to pair it. So as you can see, we're gonna be searching the product right now. So there's a voice prompt that's gonna talk, that tell you how to connect when you put it on your ear, when you bring it out of the case. So as you can see, it's telling me to find the JABRA product right now that I have, and I'm pairing it right now. The prompt is not gonna stop talking until you pair it. Okay, and right now it's already paired and it says 60%. Okay, So both earbuds have different controls. If you look at the left one, you're gonna see small indentations there, so that's can help you determine that when adjusting your ear, the left and the volume up and volume down. Okay, and on the right one, as you can see, there's no indentations, and the button here is easier to press because this one goes down in the middle. Okay, this up and down only. Okay, so far the sound quality is nice. I don't think I'm going to be able to test the audio quality when you make a call, but supposedly there's 4 microphones inside this, if I understand it correctly. So this should be nice for everyday use while you're driving or walking or whatever, and you need to take a call and then go back to listening to music or watching movies. You can check it out at Shopee. It's 5,799 pesos only. Okay, so check it out. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a nice quality headset. According to the manual, the case, it should last 5 hours. Okay, 15 hours if you have a charging case. So I assume that the charging case can recharge the earphones twice. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.